Your knees crack when you squat. Here's what that sound actually means. It's probably not what you fear. That sound is called crepitus. Most people assume it means damage, bone grinding on bone. In reality, it's usually just gas bubbles releasing in the joint fluid, or tendons shifting slightly over bone. Research consistently shows crepitus without pain is not linked to joint damage. The only time to worry is if the cracking comes with pain, swelling, or your knee giving out. Sound alone means almost nothing. Pain is the real signal. Share this with someone who panics every time their knees pop.